Have you ever wished you had everything you needed for your favorite recipes at any given moment? A well-stocked pantry is a cook's best friend. It's your secret weapon against last-minute dinner dilemmas and those there's nothing to eat blues. Imagine, no more frantic grocery runs, no more staring blankly into the fridge abyss. Just pure culinary confidence. Whether you're a seasoned homesteader or just starting out, a well-organized pantry is key. It's all about having the right ingredients at your fingertips, ready to transform into delicious meals. We're gonna break it down easy peasy so you can stock your pantry like a pro. Get ready to open the door to a world of culinary possibilities. First, let's get your pantry in tip-top shape. We're talking organization, folks. A well-organized pantry is the heart of a functional kitchen. It saves you time, reduces waste, and makes cooking a joy rather than a chore. Divide and conquer with these essential pantry categories. By sorting your pantry into specific sections, you can streamline your cooking process and always know where to find what you need. Dry goods. Think grains, pasta, beans, the building blocks of countless meals. These staples are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from hearty soups to delicious casseroles. Store them in clear, labeled containers to keep track of what you have. Canned and jarred wonders. Tomatoes, beans, broth, your pantry superheroes for quick and easy meals. These items have a long shelf life and can be lifesavers on busy nights when you need to whip up something fast. Keep a variety of these on hand to add depth and flavor to your dishes. Spice Rack Symphony. A well-stocked spice rack is like a flavor playground for your taste buds. Spices can transform a simple dish into a culinary masterpiece. Organize your spices alphabetically or by cuisine type to make them easy to find and use. Fresh and long-lasting produce. Onions, garlic, potatoes. These pantry staples last longer than you think. They are essential for adding flavor and substance to your meals. Store them in a cool, dark place to extend their shelf life. By dividing your pantry into these categories, you'll always know exactly where everything is. This not only makes cooking more efficient, but also helps you keep track of what you need to restock. No more rummaging through a chaotic mess. An organized pantry means you can find ingredients quickly and easily, reducing stress and making the cooking process smoother. Plus, it makes meal planning a breeze when you can see all your options at a glance. With everything in its place, you can plan your meals more effectively, ensuring you use up what you have and avoid unnecessary trips to the store. Now let's talk essentials. These are the MVPs of your pantry, the ingredients you'll reach for again and again. Having a well-stocked pantry can make meal preparation easier and more enjoyable. Let's dive into the dry goods that should be staples in your kitchen. Pasta, spaghetti, penne, macaroni, stock up on different shapes for variety. Pasta is incredibly versatile and can be used in a wide range of dishes, from classic Italian pasta dishes to hearty casseroles and even cold pasta salads. Having a variety of shapes on hand ensures you can always find the perfect pasta for any recipe. Rice, white, brown, jasmine, a pantry staple for countless cuisines. Rice is a global staple, forming the base of many dishes from different cultures. White rice is quick and easy to cook, while brown rice offers a nuttier flavor and more fiber. Jasmine rice, with its fragrant aroma, is perfect for Asian-inspired dishes. Beans, black beans, chickpeas, kidney beans, packed with protein and fiber. Beans are not only nutritious, but also incredibly versatile. They can be used in soups, stews, salads, and even as a base for veggie burgers. Canned beans are convenient, but dried beans can be more economical and have a longer shelf life. Oats, rolled oats, quick oats, steel-cut oats, perfect for breakfast or baking. Oats are a fantastic pantry staple because they can be used in so many ways. From a warm bowl of oatmeal in the morning to adding texture to baked goods like cookies and muffins, oats are a must-have. Flour, all-purpose, whole wheat, bread flour, essential for baking adventures. Flour is the foundation of many recipes, from bread and pastries to sauces and coatings. All-purpose flour is versatile and can be used in most recipes, while whole wheat flour adds a hearty flavor and more nutrients. Bread flour, with its higher protein content, is perfect for making homemade bread. Tomatoes, diced, crushed, whole peeled, a pantry must-have for sauces and soups. Canned tomatoes are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from pasta sauces to soups and stews. They add a rich, tangy flavor and can be a lifesaver when fresh tomatoes are out of season. Beans. Black beans, chickpeas, kidney beans, pre-cooked and ready to use. Having pre-cooked beans on hand can save you a lot of time in the kitchen. They are perfect for quick meals and can be added to salads, soups, and stews for an instant protein boost. Broth, chicken, beef, vegetable. The base for flavorful soups and stews. Broth is a kitchen essential that adds depth and flavor to many dishes. Whether you're making a hearty soup, a savory stew, or even cooking grains like rice or quinoa, having a variety of broths on hand can elevate your cooking. Tuna. Canned tuna is a quick and easy protein source for salads and sandwiches. Canned tuna is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes. It's perfect for quick lunches like tuna salad or sandwiches, and can also be added to pasta dishes or casseroles for an extra protein boost. Fruit. Peaches, pears, pineapple. Perfect for snacks or desserts. Canned fruit is a convenient way to enjoy the sweetness of fruit all year round. They can be eaten on their own as a snack, added to desserts, or even used in savory dishes for a touch of sweetness. Salt and pepper, the dynamic duo of seasoning. No pantry is complete without salt and pepper. These basic seasonings are essential for enhancing the flavor of your dishes. Whether you're cooking a simple meal or a gourmet feast, salt and pepper are your go-to seasonings. Garlic powder, because fresh garlic isn't always an option, and sometimes you just need a break from chopping. Garlic powder is a convenient alternative to fresh garlic and can be used in a variety of dishes. It adds a rich, savory flavor without the need for peeling and chopping. Onion powder adds a savory depth to any dish. Like garlic powder, onion powder is a convenient way to add flavor to your dishes. It's perfect for when you don't have fresh onions on hand or when you want to add a subtle onion flavor without the texture. Italian seasoning, a blend of herbs that brings Italian flair to your cooking. Italian seasoning is a versatile blend of herbs like basil, oregano, and thyme. It's perfect for adding a burst of flavor to pasta dishes, pizzas, and more. Chili powder, for adding a touch of heat. Chili powder is a great way to add a bit of spice to your dishes. It's perfect for chili, tacos, and any dish that could use a little kick. Onions, yellow, white, red, essential for adding flavor to savory dishes. Onions are a fundamental ingredient in many recipes. Yellow onions are great for cooking. White onions have a sharper flavor, and red onions are perfect for salads and sandwiches. Garlic, a pantry staple with endless culinary uses. Fresh garlic adds a robust flavor to your dishes. It's a key ingredient in many cuisines and can be used in everything from sauces and marinades to roasted vegetables and meats. Potatoes, russet, Yukon Gold, red, versatile, and long-lasting. Potatoes are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. Russet potatoes are great for baking and mashing. Yukon Golds are perfect for roasting, and red potatoes are ideal for salads. Sweet potatoes, a nutritious and delicious addition to any pantry. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. They can be used in both sweet and savory dishes, from casseroles and soups to pies and muffins. Onions, green onions, shallots, leeks, add depth and complexity to your cooking. These alliums add a unique flavor to your dishes. Green onions are great for garnishing. Shallots have a mild sweet flavor, and leeks are perfect for soups and stews. Remember, this is just a starting point. Feel free to customize your pantry based on your family's tastes and dietary needs. The most important thing is to have the ingredients you love and use most often on hand. A well-stocked pantry can make cooking more enjoyable and help you create delicious meals with ease. Now that you've got your pantry stocked, it's time to get organized. Let's talk more about how a well-organized pantry can save you time, reduce stress, and even save you money by preventing food waste. Let's dive into some tips to transform your pantry into a model of efficiency and order. A well-organized pantry is like a well-oiled machine. Everything runs smoothly. When you know exactly where everything is, meal prep becomes a breeze, and you can avoid those last-minute trips to the store because you can't find that one ingredient. Like I mentioned before, transferring dry goods from their original packaging into clear containers not only looks neat and tidy, but also helps you see exactly how much of each item you have left. Plus, it can prevent pantry pests from getting into your food. Label everything. Clear containers are great, but without labels, you might still find yourself guessing what's inside. Labels make it easy to find what you need quickly and ensure that everyone in the household knows where things go. This may seem tedious, but trust me, it's a lifesaver when you're trying to find that specific spice or bag of flour. Imagine the ease of cooking when you can grab exactly what you need without rummaging through cluttered shelves. Use baskets and bins to group similar items together. For example, keep all your baking supplies in one bin, snacks in another, and canned goods in another. This not only keeps your pantry looking tidy, but also makes it easy to find what you need. Grouping items by category can also help you keep track of what you have and what you need to restock. Maximize vertical space with shelf risers. These handy tools allow you to stack items and make use of the full height of your shelves, which is especially useful in smaller pantries. This allows you to see everything at a glance and prevents items from getting lost in the back of the pantry. No more forgotten cans or boxes hiding in the shadows. And perfect for storing oils, vinegars, and other frequently used items, consider using Lazy Susans. These rotating trays make it easy to access items without having to move everything around. Remember, organization is an ongoing process. It's not a one-time task, but a habit that needs to be maintained. Regularly check your pantry for expired items and reorganize as needed. Take a few minutes each week to tidy up your pantry and put things back in their designated spots. This small effort can make a big difference in keeping your pantry functional and pleasant to use. Your future self will thank you. An organized pantry not only makes cooking more enjoyable, but also helps you maintain a healthier and more efficient kitchen. Got special dietary needs? No problem. Stocking a pantry for gluten-free, vegan, or keto diets is easier than you think. Just make a few simple swaps and additions. Opt for gluten-free pasta, bread, and baking mixes. Quinoa, rice flour, and almond flour are great gluten-free alternatives. Load up on beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds for plant-based protein. Nutritional yeast is a pantry staple for adding a cheesy flavor to dishes. Embrace healthy fats like avocado oil, coconut oil, and olive oil. Stock up on low-carb veggies like cauliflower, broccoli, and spinach. Remember to read labels carefully and choose products that fit your specific dietary needs. With a little planning, you can easily create a pantry that caters to your unique requirements. Happy stocking!